It's a well-known fact that as you age, both the body and the mind decline, drop off, and deteriorate. But there is a way to change that, to turn back time. How? Let's examine the process. Everyone has a microcirculation chain. These are the little microvessels that carry the blood to about 75% of your body. Some are so small that 100 of these could fit in one human hair. They carry nutrition via the blood to our cells. During the last 100 years of technology and research, scientists have studied plant extracts and how they can impact the body through quantum physics. The dense nutrition that is in these plant extracts can make a huge impact on the body and the mind through the blood. All of your blood needs to come under the influence of this dense raw nutrition. It's like an atomic bomb of health and energy. This allows this reversal of age biologically. Healthy blood, healthy body, healing from the inside out. With iHeRQles, there is a way that you can help the body reverse this aging process and have a younger you inside through a process known as biological reversal of age. This is not a fantasy. Now listen, this is important. We're not talking about anti-aging. We're talking about biological age reversal. This is both documented and certified. This independent lab, Cellular, was started by a winner of a Nobel Prize. Their team discovered that the length of telomeres, or the caps on the ends of chromosomes that protect DNA in cells, is the key to healthy aging. As we age, our cells are constantly dividing and our telomeres shorten during the process. In the simplest terms, when telomeres get short, bad things happen. Knowing this was a superior tool to demonstrate biological age reversal. They did 1,500 tests over a 5-year period to certify the technology and the powerful, dramatic, and undeniable results of the extracts in our product. Their Cellular's emblem is on all of our case studies as validation. Remember, this is a government-accredited third-party lab with nothing to gain, giving total documentation and certification to the validity of the benefits of these extracts. This knowledge was a quantum step forward. By activating the immune system to eliminate the faster aging cells at a higher rate, this biochemical signal tells the stem cells it's time to replace the faster aging cells. The final step was achieved by a powerful computerized system that formulated the perfect nutritional support for the new healthy stem cells to grow and to replace the old fast-aging cells. That's where iHeRQles comes into the picture. Many of the traditionally used plants for longevity were intensively studied. iHeRQles is based on the ultimate, most advanced nutritional support available. This product offers a safe way to enhance the body for a longer, healthier life. It is obvious that all devastating and debilitating illnesses are directly related to early age inflammation and impaired microcirculation due to fast-aging cells. iHeRQles is a major breakthrough in age-related issues. Now you can take advantage of something unprecedented and irrefutable. Now, let's examine several of these documented lab results. On this first one, the actual age is 39 years old. But after iHeRQles over time, based on the telomere length, the telomeres, or biological age, is 30. On this next one, the actual age is 44 years old. But after iHeRQles over time, based on the telomere length, the telomeres, or biological age, is 39. And then the next one's actual age is 61. But the biological age is 45. So, after taking this product, somebody that was 61 years old tested that their cells were biologically 45 years old. Some of these are incredible. Some of these are dramatic. This one, 70-year-old that is now 58 years old biological age. Everybody's different. Let's quickly look at several more. Let's look at the next one, 60 actual years old, but 40 biologically. And this one, 53 actual age to 47 biological years. Then 30 actual years to 25 biological years. Then 68 actual years to 44 biological years. Then 66 actual years to 48 biological years. Then 63 actual years to 42 biological years. And one more, 67 actual years to 44 biological years. You've got to remember, a government-certified and accredited lab did these tests, and there are over 1,500 of them. Here's another significant fact. Many of these results are from people who are suffering from chronic health conditions, all with amazing, life-changing results. Let me tell you some of the benefits of iHeRQles. Wouldn't it be nice if you could wake up and feel like you were much younger again? With the iHeRQles age-reversing possibilities, taken over a period of time, you can. How about increased endurance and stamina? Would you like to enhance your cognitive abilities and eliminate brain fog? Would you enjoy faster muscle growth and faster recovery? Think about hormonal balance, better skin and nails, and hair loss prevention. The list goes on and on. This is the greatest technology advancement probably in the last century, maybe even since humans have been on the planet. We're talking about reversing age, not anti-aging. Age reversal. iHeRQles, the best of the best. None can compare. A few sprays a day is all it takes. And by the way, for all you animal lovers, iHeRQles has many testimonies from animal lovers on health and vitality improvements in the area of better health, improved movement, and older animals acting as if they were years younger. Scientists, after many years of research and tests, were able to eliminate completely all man-made molecules. So a safe, effective, no side effects product with 0.00% synthetic composition was created. iHeRQles is vegan friendly. There are no colorants or synthetic filter. iHeRQles is non-GMO and it is gluten and allergen free. Because it has no synthetics or chemicals, there is no chance of drug interactions or reactions. It is completely safe from 1 to 101 years of age. All plants used are considered safe on all 3 major institutions' safety lists: Harvard Pharmacopeia list, the GRAS list, and the FDA-approved as safe list. So, let me ask you again. If you found the proverbial fountain of youth that Ponce de Leon and many others pursued, and it was proven and documented to work, would you partake of it and turn back time? Become a time traveler. The only way to do that is with iHeRQles.